I'm going to show you how to make a basic paper airplane, and I'm using yellow notepad paper here, but any paper would really work. And I've drawn this line in the inside just to make it more clear on the video how I'm doing this. But you start with a book fold. You take the paper and you fold it, simple half sheet book fold. Then you open it up. You're going to want to do interior triangle folds along that middle line. And then another interior triangle fold. And fold the whole thing back over. Now you're ready for wings. And for wings, you're just going to take the outside of your triangle and fold it down until they match. Here you are, your basic paper airplane.